Who will be the next economic superpower in the 21st century? Leaders like Narendra Modi, Indonesia's officials, and Saudi Arabia's crown prince have set ambitious goals to transform their countries into economic powerhouses. They aim for rapid GDP growth and diversification of their economies. However, achieving such meteoric growth comes with challenges. The focus on high-tech manufacturing and attracting industries using natural resources is a new game plan. Countries are offering subsidies, tax breaks, and infrastructure to attract investment. Some countries are focusing on attracting industries that use their natural resources, especially the metals and minerals powering the green transition. This approach has little precedent and comes with its own set of challenges. Meanwhile, the Gulf countries are aiming to reinvent themselves as global business hubs, focusing on diversifying their economies and attracting foreign investment. The race to become the next economic superpower in the 21st century is filled with ambition, challenges, and innovative strategies. Stay tuned for more insights on this fascinating economic race.